How's it everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how I made the easiest outdoor table ever. If you've seen my easiest DIY bench ever video, you already know I like simple builds that actually look good. So today we're building the matching table. No complicated joinery, no expensive lumber, just 2x4s, stain, paint, and 1 day of work. Let's go! First, I measured and cut all my lumber to length. I'll leave a cut list and a material list down in the description so you can reference that later. Once everything was cut, I gave all the pieces a quick sanding with 120 grit sandpaper to smooth out any rough edges. Nothing crazy, just enough to clean it up and prep it for paint and stain. Now it's time for stain and paint. I'm gonna use an oil-based stain for the tabletop, and I'm gonna paint the legs and the support pieces matte black. Once everything was dry, it was time to put it together. I started by attaching the support pieces to the underside of the tabletop. I drilled pilot holes to help prevent splitting, and then secured everything together with 2-inch wood screws. After that, I screwed the legs onto the support pieces and the tabletop to make it one unit. Then I added more support to the legs at the bottom of the table. To evenly space it, I just used a 2x4 under the support piece and screwed it together. Lastly, I attached these side pieces to provide some horizontal stability. And that's it really, no complicated brackets, no specialty tools, just straightforward. From start to finish, this took about 1 day to complete. It's a beginner friendly project that looks way more custom than it actually is. And here it is, simple, clean, and solid. I like the way that it turned out. If you already built the bench from my last video, this table pairs perfectly with it. Same materials, same finish, same easy process. If you haven't already, go ahead and check out my DIY bench video. That too can be done in a single day. If this helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, mahalo and aloha.